Hello viewers, in this video I will show you a Shopify countdown bar. You can say it smart countdown bar because it's customizable and you can change the color, the title, and of course the timer you can set, and it has a lot of options. That's why I want to say it smart countdown bar. So if we check, uh, it is responsive for mobile. If you check mobile version, you can see. So it works fine for mobile versions. Looks nice on mobile and also the desktop. If you check the customization panel, it's easy to change everything from the customization panel of Shopify theme panel. If you check it, then you will see here it is the fancy countdown part, or you can say it is smart countdown bar. Everything. This is the section. You can add it here in the header, or you can add it the template. If you search, here it is. So you can add it in the header, or you can add it template, and of course you can add it in anywhere of this store, any page of your store. If you check the options of this section, you can click the blocks. There's currently one block you can add this section. uh, it can be increased if you need, but I think this one is okay for the store. If you need one more than one, you can customize it, or you can ask me the video below of the video. If you check the fancy countdown options, you will see the background color. You can change from background color, and you can change the content color, make it black or right white. Then there is option to change the text, main text, and you can paste the emo icons also. And there is a sticky options. You can, if you check it, it will be sticky. Just check. So it is sticky. The space you can adjust from here. Make it zero for desktop and for mobile. And if you refreshed, so it is now okay. So it is sticky, nice, smart countdown part. And there is our option. The smart option is, if you want to hide this date, then the visitor will see only hour, minute, and second. So if you set the 30 days and hide the days, then it will be countdown for 30 days, but every day the visitor will see only the hours, minute, and second. This is the smart way. You can say check. I can use it uh, anytime in this year, in the year, for any offer or any selling time. If you try it, just there is an option. Here is the info, so you can see. If we write the yes, then it will be show the date. If we write the no, then it will hide the date. No, and save it and check the front end. So here you go. You can see just only the hours, and minute and the second. So you said it 30 days, but behind the scene it's 30 days, but in the front end, visitor will see only the hour, minute, and second. They will not see the days left. So it's really nice. And here is the date you can set. It is year, month, and the date and the month. And here is the time you can set. So this is the 12 actually night, 12 11:0 a.m. So after that, when it's midnight, start the new days, and it will be count from new hours, and there will be 0 hour and the minute and the second. I think you understand what I mean. And here's the offers in text. If you set offer in text, you can set it anything like expired. It is default expired, but you can set something like, and if you check it, you can just adjust the time. And today is my time is number 23, and the time is 2:13 p.m. That means it will be 14, and I can set it starting. I can set it 15, and just make it kilo, or we can make it 14 and 59. I think after 1 minute we'll see the expired message. Let's check it. I think it's wrong. Something here. Okay, so if we want to see the offer text, the current time is 2:38 p.m. and so the date is fine, and we change this to current date for 1 minute, and it's 2:08, so we can set it 30, and save it. And the current browser has some cookies issue, then so we can check the other browser. We'll see the current exact time if we refresh the page. And we should see the update now. Refresh the page, and then now it is fine. So let's wait for 1 minute, and we will see that we actually wanted to see this of our end message after ending the timer. So we can see it now. Let's have it count down, and we can check the code. So basically we need two files for these sections. One is the section file, which is this one. This one. There is some. This is the liquid code, and as you can see, here is a snippets file also. If we click it, this is the snippets file. It will be hard to write down all the code, pause the video if you are not doing code or writing code. So if you need the code, then you can comment to the YouTube video, or if you are coding, you can write this. You can see, pause the video and you can write. This is the style sheet of CSS. We use the media query for 67. You can increase or decrease it. Here is some conditional styles or sticky. And this is the actual HTML code with adequate dynamic code. Some variable to use this as JavaScript, and this is script for the sticky bar. You can write this, and this is the main script for the countdown. It's actually a lot code, but it will take you 1 hour. Write down or comment out the video below for the code. I can send you. So that's the snippets, all code snippets, and there is a section, main section file. The snippets file you can see here. This is the snippets file. You can name this or you can change the name. And this is the section schema. Pause the video and write this code in your section file. So that's it for all. Okay, let's check the countdown. It should be expired now. Yeah, this expired, and this the message says offer end. What we say, what we said from the here, section here, if we change it, then it will be changed. Okay, so that's the time countdown stop time countdown part for Shopify. If you need the code, you can comment below, and I will send you the code. Thanks for watching.